party you vote?
Which party I vote?
Yeah.
ANC, EFF.
You don't know who to vote for because ANC is on now, but it's not nice. DA is also starting to get so corrupt.
Okay.
You don't know who to vote for anymore.
As we are moving so close to 2024 elections in South Africa, I ask this guy to do me a favor, to ask people about their opinion and views upon coming elections, just to know who do people think is capable of winning and capable of transforming South Africa into better South Africa. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let's watch the video.
Which party you vote?
Which party I vote?
Yeah.
It depends on who they are giving me the options of.
Like what? Somebody give to you money, or somebody give you some nice better life.
No, probably better life. Keeping the town in good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your situation about which party is good?
I'm not really sure. I'm not into
Because
the
you see,
politics.
it's my own choice. So what is your own choice?
Now, my own choice is whatever one is the better option for this town.
Okay.
Better option.
So what
for
do
the
you
future.
decide? Because his time is very short.
Yeah, no, time is very short. I didn't decide yet. I'm also not sure yet because municipality, there's no fresh water for the people.
Okay.
There's no electricity for the people.
Okay.
If you go here into this quarters here,
Yeah.
you see the little children running there.
Exactly.
No clean water, no place to stay, no nice life.
So
Poverty for.
so
for
you
the
want
people.
to make better from everything, from everyone.
For
And
everyone.
Understand.
Doesn't matter what your skin color is. You're a human being.
Exactly.
You have right. You have
Exactly.
right to fresh water. You have right
No.
to have a roof over your head.
This is
You
very
have the
good.
right to go to the municipality and to be treated like a human being. Not
Exactly.
like a piece of shit just dragging around here.
Exactly. We understand. But now you have to decide something.
You have to decide something.
So you have to
But
fast to decide. Can you share with something us which party you
I
support them?
think for now, for the best is the DA.
DI.
I think DA
That
is
is
the
very
best.
nice party also.
Yeah.
It's very good party.
Because I think DA will put in some effort into not whites, not coloreds, not Indian, not into all the people of the country.
Together in one place.
Together in one place like a rainbow nation.
Thank you so
That's
much.
my personal opinion.
Yeah. It's okay.
My personal opinion.
Exactly.
I'm not sure for who
Yeah.
I'm going
Because
to vote.
we are freedom, we know to decide from anything. We have choice.
We have choice.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
For me, it's heartbreaking. It's really heartbreaking. You go down this road, you see all the small children. They are
Exactly.
dirty. They didn't have clothes. There's
Exactly.
poverty. The mom, the dad, they don't have work.
Exactly like that.
Where is your politicians now?
Exactly.
If the children looks like that,
You are.
we are grown ups. We can look after ourselves. But
Exactly.
that little child there, he needs your support.
Very nice.
He needs you as a mother and a father.
Exactly.
And where are they when that children is down the street? No food, no water, no clothes. No, I'm sorry.
Thank
It
you.
doesn't work for me. Not that
Thank
way.
you. So which party you can follow for that time?
Don't know.
No. You have to decide.
When I stand there with the ticket, I will know because you don't know who to vote for because ANC is on now, but it's not nice.
Yeah. Some reasons.
DA is also starting to get so corrupt.
Okay.
You don't know who to vote for anymore
Okay. All right.
because
So,
Lots of people
but
say
must
DA, but-
must be you have to follow for somebody. Understand? Without follow, you all lose your vote. So you have to decide what you want to do.
yeah,
So
it's not a quick choice. You have to stand there and think properly. Who's going to be
so
the best
don't
option.
have time to thinking. After 4 days is what. So what you want to do now? Because think about you have to listen for about many and another parties. Understand? Then you decide it. Understand? So time is very short, my brother.
Yeah, but there's still a little bit time left.
Okay.
So Yeah,
What do you
but
think
it-
about? What do you think about which party is best right now?
Yes, I don't know because I was always a DA person.
DA person.
Yeah, I was always a DA person.
I hope so. You are best of
Because
luck for that.
if you take some of the DA words,
Okay,
you can see there is better.
better than other ones. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Alright, so see.
All right.
Recently, there's no party which is good, but let me answer in short.
Which one?
DA.
DA. Thank you so much. You have to vote which party?
Okay, ANC.
ANC.
Yes.
Why? What is the reason?
I vote not for
People.
Ramaphosa.
Okay.
I vote for Mandela. We come from apartheid.
Okay.
So when I choose, sometimes I say I vote for DA.
Okay.
DA is a national party.
National
Before
party.
it comes to DA, it was a national party. But national party already, there was apartheid there. So
Exactly. So this is your point, and
This is my
then you
point.
give to
So-
the ANC vote of the Nelson Mandela, not Ramaphosa.
most of people that are coming to this country like you don't understand apartheid.
Exactly.
Yes, but you have come. By that time, you can't come here
Yeah, yeah.
to have a shop here.
Exactly.
When apartheid was here,
Exactly.
it is a freedom. You can come to make a shop. here.
After Nelson Mandela.
Yes.
Exactly.
When they get the government,
Uh-huh.
you get all of you will
Yeah.
go back.
Which president do you think can do better in South Africa? Together we can fix South Africa. You have to go and vote. But please remember, these people were not influenced by my ideas or my opinion, or not for the one who was interviewing. I mean, this guy, Yasin. Before I finish this video, I just want to thank this guy for doing the interview on behalf of Samavita Studios. Until the next video, I'm gonna do it. Peace.